similarly lower limit is pi over 6. If we convert this angle or limit into degree, this will be equal to pi, 30. So we will write value of pi over 3 in upper limit minus pi over sine pi over 6. So this will be final answer. Similarly, if we write, this will be equal to sine of pi over 3 minus sine of pi over 6. So pi over 3 sine 60 is equal to square root 3 over 2 minus sine 30 is equal to 1 over 2. So if we take 2 as LCM, so this will be equal to square root 3 minus 1 over 2. This will be final answer of this question. After question number 11, question number 15 is included in our smart syllabus. So question number 15 will be equal to, this is question number 15. So how to deal with this question? Simply this is lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi over 4 cos of theta plus sine of theta cos of 2 theta plus 1 d theta. Here this will be equal to, if we write cos 2 theta plus 1, we know that formulas related to trigonometry as cos of 2 theta, similarly sine of 2 theta. So here we are going to apply double angle. This is called double angle formula. So here we are applying double angle formulas to evaluate this question. So cos of 2 theta will be equal to 2 cos theta. This is formula we had read in our previous classes in our trigonometry section. This will be equal to cos of 2 theta minus 1. Cos of 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus 1. So similarly, if we want to find value of cos 2 theta plus 1, so this will be equal to cos square theta. If we take minus 1 here, so this expression will be equal to 2 cos square theta. Similarly, if we take or we separate this expression as we are taking LCM, so we separate this expression, this will be equal to cos over 2 cos square theta. Similarly, sine theta over 2 cos square theta, this will be equal to 1 over 2 cos theta. Similarly, this will be equal to sine over 2 sine cos theta, then cos theta. So simple, this is a solution of the question. This will be equal to 1 over 2 is we are taking 1 over 2 separate from limit. So this will be equal to secant theta. So secant theta, we will apply formula for derivative of secant theta. Similarly, secant theta tan theta, after applying formula, this will be equal to log natural secant plus tan theta, and similarly log natural So this is integral of secant theta, and similarly integral of secant theta tan theta will be equal to secant theta. So after applying lower and upper limit, we will get final solution, which is equal to 1 over 2 log natural square root 2 plus 1 plus square root 2 minus 1. So this is simple form of solution. Here we are taking simply integral of secant is log natural secant plus tan, and similarly secant tan x integral is secant x. So this is our final solution. So after question number 15 we will write question number 16. So how to find solution of question number 16? Question number 16 is 0 2 pi over 6 cos 3 theta d theta. So we can write cos 3 as cos square and cos theta. So after putting value of cos square theta, our solution will be equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So we will multiply cos theta here and with sine square theta. After separating cos theta have integral sine theta, similarly sine square theta cos theta. So we will apply here power rule. Why? Because derivative of sine is cos, so derivative of sine is present here, so we will apply power rule here. So this will be equal to our final solution or final answer. Okay, after this question number 18 is included into our syllabus. So this is a cos 40. So we will write here in form of this. After applying half angle formula, this will be equal to 1 plus cos 2t over 2, and taking square or applying the formula of square, we will be able to find this expression. Here if we separate this expression and integrate, then we will be able to find our final solution. So how to calculate our final solution? So if we take this is cos square 2t. So if we write here half angle formula again, this will be equal to 1 plus cos 40 over 2. So after taking LCM, this will be equal to this expression. So we will simply integrate and apply limits. So this will be our final answer of this question. After question number 18, question number